loves, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to film my going out look because I went out with my girlfriends and I thought I should just film it for you guys. So for the first thing, we are going to moisturize our lips. This weather has my lips so crazy. To moisturize, we are going to be using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I switched to this because you guys were talking about how the Glow Tonic by Pixie was like not that great to use on the skin. And then going with the primer, we are going to be using the Milk Makeup Hydro Primer. Just been obsessed with this. This is bomb. If you can get your hands on it, I definitely would. Then we're going to jump into my foundation. We're going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Hazelnut. This is my perfect match. My foundation is a little redundant. I've done a couple like foundation routines that I will link that you guys can watch. But yeah, I just thought I should just film the whole entire thing because I haven't done a voiceover or just like a quick, simple makeup tutorial in a while. So yeah. So now we are going to conceal using the Too Faced Super Coverage in the color Mahogany. And then we are just going to blend that out with my favorite, I have to say it every time, you guys, this is my favorite brush by Morphe. This is the E20 brush from the Elite edition. So I actually ended up really liking the Huda Beauty Tantour cream. So we are going to be using the color Tan. I ended up just like really liking the way it looked, and then I used it again, and then I'm using it again to go out, and it just is that perfect blend. I know I said it was a little bit too natural, but I ended up just like thinking it looks so good. So we're just gonna keep using this. And then sometimes too, if my contour is a little bit too harsh, I like to go back in with my concealer brush and just blend everything together. So now we're going to take the Makeup Revolution powder. This is in Terracotta. I think I actually might start making my beauty blender a little bit damp when I am blending this in, because I actually did it damp a day ago and it just melted into my skin instead of kind of just sitting on top of my skin. So yeah, now we're just going to dust that off. I forgot to mention too that when you do use this powder, it might stick a little bit, so I would dust it off fast. But if it does like create any harsh lines after, I just like to go in with my setting spray, because that's just gonna help it kind of like melt into my skin a little bit. And then I just like to fan my face after I kind of like drench my face in setting spray. I'm actually going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit just to go over where I place that powder. I feel like this second step right here kind of just helps me push everything into my skin and make it blend a little bit more, because you see I look a little crazy right now. After we do this and then contour, everything kind of just like comes together and looks a little bit better. So we're just gonna bronze really quick using the Fenty Mocha Mami Sunstalker bronzers. I like this one, but I do think that it does, sorry guys, I'm dancing. I do think that it does have a little bit too much of a red undertone, so I try to be careful with that. So now we're gonna go in with the Morphe Showmance. This contour right here is just like my favorite. I cannot live without those steps right there. Brows are done. I'm just having like, I'm listening to the new Fever album by Meg Thee Stallion, or Megan Thee Stallion, so excuse me. So now we're gonna get into the eyes. I'm gonna be using two palettes. I'm gonna use the Makeup Shayla palette, and then later on we're gonna go into the It's My Ray Ray palette. So you guys are gonna notice later on, and I'm gonna realize it too, that I actually did this look already. While I was doing this, I was like, why does this look so familiar? So I've already did a look similar to this using the It's My Ray Ray palette, but instead I'm using like different products. So don't judge me, but it actually ended up going with my outfit. So like, there's a roll tutorial on this. I will link it, but it's just like a quick little thing, you know, cute. So I'm gonna be fixing my hair. Don't worry about that, don't clock me. I know my edges on the side is a little bit cray cray. Now we're gonna go in with my mascara. This is the Mad Lash Mascara. And lately I've been taking black eyeliner on my waterline instead of white. You know, I like to do white, but black for some reason is just like I've been living for it lately, so that's what we're doing. My lashes are from Lily Lashes in Miami. I've been obsessed. Only thing with her lashes though is that the band is so skinny. Sometimes it's hard to put on. And then we are gonna go in with the Mo Honey Kilowatt Highlighter by Fenty. This has just been, I thought this would look good with the look because the eye is kind of like a silver gold. So I thought like frosty, you know. Someone always calling me, no matter what. And then after I highlight my nose, I like to go in with my bronzer and kind of just make sure it's not too harsh. Okay, so this is where I realized that I had literally did this look before as soon as I put those green dots. So yeah. So for lips, we are going to be using the BFF4 lip liner that came in the Makeup Shayla Proceed with Caution collection. I lost my Trendsetter by Morphe, so this one is just kind of like a dupe. They're kind of like the same dark brown tone. And then you guys, this lipstick has been my life. It is so bomb. This is the Artist Couture. I cannot remember the name right now, but I will put the name down below. But it is so pigmented, so juicy. They're my favorite. So now going in with the Foxy Babe straightener. They actually sent this to me and I'm obsessed with it. Look how cute of a hair straightener it is. I actually have a discount code for you guys that you guys can use if you are looking for any new like hair straighteners, wands, or even a blow dryer. I will put that down in the description. I'm gonna take some setting foam and just kind of like tame the top of my hair. I actually made this wig, oh my gosh, I actually made this wig earlier today. It was longer, but then I cut it, but she's a Bobbiana now. So that is all for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just something quick and simple for you guys because I wanted to put something up and I was just like, hey, why not do a voiceover? Please don't forget to subscribe. I cannot wait to see you guys next time, and thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys.